Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. This is our last session for tonight's smart listener, and in the last segment of Smart Up Your Life, my friends wants to share about the children's right.
Yes.
What are the children's right that we have to know?
Yes.
Please.
Um, I think first because we don't ask to be born, but in my opinion, we have the right to be like treated well by our parents and our family, and I think we have the right to get facilities, and we have some obligation like help our parents and so on. Yeah, I think.
Okay. Can you mention one by one of that point? The
The
point from the children's right.
point will be mentioned by Sister Rindi.
Okay. Please,
Okay.
Rindy.
Maybe I think children have the right to love. First, children have the right to love, and second, children deserve attention. And children have the right to life lessons. Children have the right to protection, and last, children have the right to entertainment. Maybe just it.
Okay. Another, an additional, any addition?
Okay. Okay. Addition from me. I think children have the right to get their needs, and children must be filial to their parents. Children must be respect each other. Children must be independent, and children must make their parents happy. Yes.
Okay. Well, thank you guys
Yes.
for telling us the rights of the children. But according to the United Nations Convention about the children, okay, they wrote the the children's rights since 1989. There are 10 rights.
Oh.
The children's right that we have to know, and the
Adult.
old man
The adult
must be must be aware about this right. The first one, yes, the
to be
children-
loved.
to be loved, okay, and also to they has the right to play
Yes.
freedom freely,
Because,
fun.
we always say like everybody said, like children's life is playing.
Yes,
Yeah.
because from
Yes,
when
wherever they
play,
are, they will
yeah,
play.
when the children's play, they get they get a new knowledge
Yes.
from the environment, and also the rights to have an education,
Yeah, to be educated
the rights
well.
to have protection,
Oh, yes.
like mentioned before. So the rights to have identity, to be known as the person, the rights to
Maybe-
have nationality status,
Yeah.
food,
Ah,
the rights to have a food, to have access to the health facility, and also in entertainment,
Oh.
recreation,
Yeah.
and so on. So equality, the rights to have the equality, and also the rights to have includes into the pembangunan. Pembangunan.
Development of. If I myself, like, if I can mention it, like, children has to be accepted.
Uh-huh.
Like, sometime the bullying, children's bullying, come from the family itself. Like yes, it's like most of childrens get bullied from their house. And it affect them in the environment. Like at school, they will be really shy to express their idea. When at home, they feel they are not accepted by their parents. And also because
To be
actually
compared with another
yes,
children.
of always like that. And the second one, because I'm anak kampung, and then I was I was grow in kampung, and then as I saw that many children in my place at that time, maybe for now, there are a lot of children's works, lot of children work, but actually children, they don't have how to say, ability or obligation to work. They have right to learn, to play, to have a good food, good house, for example. But nowadays, like many children are forced, maybe by their parents, or maybe by the situation, that a lot of beggar now in Makassar, and they are children. It's really like what a bad situation. Like children that their time to study, but at the same time we saw them in the street back. And
Child labor.
it's really sad to say.
Okay.
It's really sad to say. And as a mother, comparison, because a lot of mom, like, they compare their first child and the second child, or the girls and the boys. Always there is a comparison in the children, in the family actually. So I think that's some of, like, to be accepted, to be educated, educated well, and to be treated well.
Yes, that's good. Okay, from these rights, these children's right. So, what do you want to say, Mrs. Dewi? Do you have like a mother, as a mother?
As a mother,
Do you how to say, give your child all of these rights? All of the rights, as we mentioned before. Maybe you apply this to your child.
Totally sure, because you know that having a kids, it's, I mean, a happy kids only born from happy parents, happy marriage, happy marriage by their parents, and because I saw it from my parents, so I would like the same is happening to my children, and I would like to put the wonderful memories, childhood, for my children. So that's why from the first day I brought them to the school, especially from the first day they got their first class in the kindergarten. I told them that I'm not asking you to be good in academic, in academic, your value, but the only things I ask you that your morality is good, your action is good, and everyone's so everyone is love you, and you are a loving person for others, because no one there is no excuse for you, no matter how rich you are, or everyone everyone claim you that you are coming from a happy family or blah blah, but if you show them that you are a happy kids, of course it's going to make your friends be happy also, and the most point I teach them at home and wherever it is, that is 3 magic words: thank you, sorry, please. No matter what happened to my they never feel shy to say it to their friends or to their to the surround to our environment, because it's not easy nowadays. I see the children, it's today before before on the way to this radio, maybe about 2 hours before, I get my children playing soccer behind of my house, and their ball throw up to my home, and the smallest kids, I thought maybe around he 6 or 7 years old, and he didn't say anything, only like this,
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like sorry.
ambilkan bolaku. Then I asked him, I will not give
Thank
you
you.
this bowl if you didn't say
Thank you. or-
please and thank you. Then he say, oh okay tante.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's one of the
Tolong
value.
tante. Then after I throw the ball back
Yeah.
to him, then he say, thank you tante. Okay, you are a good boy. Then my daughters watch me.
Okay. Well,
it's
that's the
small
value.
Yeah.
Value of
Yes.
life.
Yeah,
Value
it's about the
that we
value.
teach to our
Small-
next generation. And
small things matter.
yeah, small things
Yes.
matter. And from what we have discussed tonight, I wish and I hopefully everyone of us can get the benefits, and also a smart listener got the
Point,
new
yeah.
insight, and we can be more aware about the children's right and how to educate children's right now very well. So thank you so much guys for coming, and
Thank
also thank you
you.
smart listener.
Thank you.
We'll see you again next week. Rifa Majid signing out. Bye.